Okay everyone, so let's begin by meeting at the back of our mats, toes together, the knees are super wide, and just go ahead and walk the fingers forwards. Keep a little bit of space between your chest and your mat, and just find a little bit of a sway from side to side here. Starting to get into your shoulders and into the hips. Also bringing a little bit of a stretch in through the spine. Good, eventually coming back into center, and then melt your chest and your forehead all the way down towards your mat. If it feels good, we might shuffle the fingers forwards a little bit further just to really stretch and lengthen out through the spine. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Good, and then slowly we're going to walk the hands back. We're going to lift the hips up, but keep the toes together and the knees nice and wide. Bring your wrists right underneath of your shoulders, and as we inhale, look forwards, point the tailbone up. As we exhale, tuck the chin to the chest, round your spine. Good, come back through center. On your next inhale, reach the right arm all the way up to the sky, slightly leaning back, opening up that top arm as much as you can. Let's find 3 big circles with that right arm. Circle it around for 3, and for 2. And last one, the next time the arm reaches up, take a deep breath in and exhale, thread the right arm in under the left. Bring the right shoulder and the right ear down to the mats. Maybe walk the left fingertips to the top of your mat. Stretching open the upper back and the shoulder. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Good, and then draw that left hand back beside your face, press into the arm and come back to center. Let's go on the other side. So on your inhale, we lift the left arm all the way up to the sky, stretch it up high, and we'll find 3 big circles here all the way around for 3. For 2, keep lengthening the arm. Last one. Lifting the fingertips up to the sky, take a deep breath in, and then exhale, thread that arm in under the right. Draw the left shoulder and the left ear down to the mat. Maybe take the right fingertips forwards. This time stretching the left hand side of your upper back and your shoulder. Take a final breath here. And then right hand comes back to the face and press yourself back into center. Good, from here, bring the knees right underneath of your hips, your toes are pointing back. And as we inhale, drop the belly, point the tailbone up, look forwards, and stop right here. Just finding a few breaths in your cow pose, feeling that dip in the low back. Keep rolling the shoulders open. And then on your next exhale, we round into our cat. So tuck your chin into the chest, round out your back, press your hands into the mat. That little space right in between your shoulder blades, we're pressing it right up to the sky. Good, and then release, come back into tabletop. From here, tuck the toes under, lift your hips up and back, and meet me in a downward facing dog. And let's pedal out the feet in this downward facing dog. Take deep bends through each knee, really starting to stretch into the hamstrings, the hips, the entire back line of your body. Just pedal the feet, stretch it out. And then eventually come back into stillness. You can either keep the legs straight here or take a deep bend if you need. And we're going to walk the hands back towards the feet. We'll meet in a forward fold. So you can have a slight bend through the knees. Just take 1 or 2 breaths into your hamstrings, relaxing your spine. And then from here, let's see if we can start to straighten out those legs. The hands can come onto the thighs, or the knees, or the shins, or all the way to the floor. Take a few big breaths here, breathing into the backs of your legs. And then when you're ready, take a bend through the knees and slowly press yourself up into standing. Let's lift the hands up to the sky, take hold of the right wrist and dive over towards the left. Press your hips out to the right. Good, back through center, take hold of the left wrist and dive over to the right. Back through center, and as we exhale, cactus the arms open, find a back bend, shine your heart up to the ceiling. Good, back through center, fingertips reach up, and as we exhale, open the arms wide, dive down into your forward fold, plant the hands and walk forwards into your plank. From here, let's take a pigeon pose. So take the left knee up towards the left wrist, open the toes to the right hand side of your mat, and then drop your back knee down and just allow your hips to come down as low as they can into your pigeon. We can find a little bit of movement here if we want to, just rocking the hips side to side, or we can find stillness. Take a few deep breaths here, stretching out your hips. And we can stay right here, or if it's within your practice, we can reach the right arm back, see if we can take hold of the right foot and draw the foot in towards your glute muscles so that we feel this nice big stretch through the front in our quads. Good, release that right foot down, bring the hands to the floor and step yourself back into your plank. Let's take our pigeon on the other side. So right knee to right wrist, open the toes to the side of your mat and then drop your knee, drop your hips down. You can decide if we want a little bit of movement or if we want to find some stillness. If we want to find stillness, we might drop down to the elbows here. Or if it's within our practice, maybe we reach the left arm back, take hold of the left foot and draw the foot in towards the body, stretching out your quads. And then release the leg, bring the hands back to the floor. Step back into your plank. We can bring the knees down to the floor, sit back on the heels and take a few big rolls through the shoulders. So just rolling the shoulders up and around a few times. Coming back to center, sitting tall through the back as we drop the right ear to the right shoulder. And then through center, left ear to the left shoulder. Maybe take a few little half neck circles here if that serves you. And then eventually coming back into center. And thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you're feeling good and stretched out. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more like this, please subscribe and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.